Hey peeps, welcome in. Thank you for waiting. I hope it wasn't too long. I thought it would be a good time to talk about motion matching. You know it, you love it, but you don't understand it. But all that can change in about 5 minutes. Number 1, lateral directional movements. These are your strafe, your forward and back animations, basic stuff. Number 2, radial movements. These are walking in circles, running in circles, or spinning around in place. Number 3, a combination of the first two. This would be quick turns, stop turns, etc. But for this tutorial, we can get away with just the first two types. First, for the lateral motion, simply start by moving the root bone 1 meter forward. This is going to be your walking speed. Name this W.F for walk forward. Next, jog forward. To have a realistic increase in pace, we will move the root 4 meters forward. Name that J.F for jog forward. Next, 8 meters. Name that one S.F for sprint forward. Before we do anything else, limit rotation for all axes of the root bone and set it to local. Now if we do things like rotate around a pivot, the root stays facing forward, which is what we want. Now for circular animations, put down a circle. Use this equation per 1 meter forward to calculate the walk angle. Then make the circle that size. Set the origin of the circle to the edge vertice, and set the circle location to the world 0 position. Then reset the origin back to the center of the circle. Now if we grab this root bone and animate it around the circle's center 15 degrees at a time until we get to 90 degrees. In the end, you should be facing world left. Now we have a method of making all necessary directions for motion matching. You can copy the walk and run forward animations to make the walk circle left and right, slightly changing the foot key poses to turn with the body for realism. Rinse and repeat for all directions and you got yourself a motion matching set.